Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Prashansha. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you Frozen Disney eye makeup look with elegant combination of pink and blue eyeshadow in half cut crease. So let's get started. So here I have already applied my moisturizer and primer on my face and also defined my eyebrows. So let's directly jump for eye makeup. And now I am applying priming my eyes using my concealer. So for my eyes, here I am going to use my Morphe James Charles palette, and from this I am taking light pink color and simply placing it on my crease line and simply blending it. Now with the puffy blending brush I am just blending it. Now for my eyes, I am taking Europe Girl eyeshadow palette, and from this palette I am taking dark pink shade and again simply placing it on my crease line. And simply blending it with a brush.
If I had
Now again I am taking magenta type of shade from the Morphe James Charles palette and again placing it on my crease line. It gives an illusion of lighter to darker shade which looks awesome. Now with the flat brush trying to make lines on crease so that while cutting the crease it will look perfect line. And then for my eyelid I am taking my Europe Girl eyeshadow palette. I am taking first this dark blue color and simply placing it on my outer corner and just blending it out so that there is no patches. Now I am taking black color from the palette and placing it on my V area and simply blending it and mixing it with dark blue. Now I am taking my concealer which is 2 shades lighter from my tone and I will use it to cut my crease. You have to be very careful while cutting your crease. There is no way to go back. Then I am taking a sky blue color from the palette Europe Girl and applying it into my middle corner of my eye to get a nice color. Don't blend it, just take it and place it on the lid. Now I am taking shade red which is darker than pink with very small definery brush. I will apply it on the border of the cut crease to make it look fresh, to make it look prominent. By applying darker shade on the border of the cut crease, it looks so much prominent. Now I am taking the concealer and I will apply it on the border of cut crease. Now I am taking liquid glitter eyeshadow from Slossy Lush, and with very small definery brush I am applying it on the border of the cut crease to make it look more prominent. And while doing it, don't screw up, because in this stage there is no way to go back. So here we have half completed our eye makeup. Now for my face, firstly I am applying liquid highlighter on my cheekbone, on my nose, on my forehead and on chin, and I will blend it with a damn beauty blender. Now to cover my dark circle and dark spots, I am taking orange concealer from NYBay and applying it on my face. And again I will blend it with a damn beauty blender. Now I am taking foundation from Lakme 925 Perfect Cover Foundation shade W120 Warm Creamy, and I will apply it with a brush. And for my high point, I am taking concealer, which is one shade lighter from my tone, and applying it on my nose, on my forehead, on my smile line and on chin. And again I will blend it with a damn beauty blender. Now to give some shape to my face, here I am going to contour my face from Elegant Pro Concealer High Definition Concealer. And blending it with a damn beauty blender. Now it's time for baking. So here I am using loose powder and baking my cheeks, my nose, now we will leave it for 5 minutes. Till then we have to complete our eye makeup. So to complete my eye makeup, here I am taking dark blue shade and applying it on outer area, and now taking pink shade and applying it from middle to inner area. And for my inner corner I am taking sky blue color and just placing it on my inner corner. And now for my waterline, I am taking Maybelline New York gel eyeliner. You can use also kajal instead of it. Now I have taken Dry Sugar Blush Contour Highlight Palette, and I am taking blush from it and applying it on my cheeks. Now from the same palette I am taking highlighter and applying it on my high points, on my brow bone, on nose, on cheekbone and on forehead, on chin. Now I am applying eyeliner from the same Maybelline New York Gel Eyeliner.
If I hadn't seen it with my own eyes, I wouldn't believe it, girl. I can't believe that you were mine.
And to complete my total look, here I am taking lipstick from Maybelline New York Super Stay Matting. And here is the final look. Please let me know your thoughts about this look. Write down on the comment section below. I hope you guys enjoy watching it and I hope this video helpful for you. If it is, then don't forget to tap on the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel.